Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will know how to change back button settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, see here, this is back button. Okay, if you are going to some settings in your phone, then if you would like to go back, you will usually use this back button. Suppose if you want to change this back button to left side, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to navigation bar, and here you have to select button order. You have to select the second order, so that back button now comes to the left side. Okay, to go back you have to press here. Okay, right side button will be for viewing recent tabs. Okay, all open tabs will be viewed if you press this right side button. Okay, to go back you have to use this left side button only. Okay, so in this way you can easily change back button. Suppose if you want to shift back button to the original place, again you have to go to the settings of phone here, go to settings, then go to display, then go to navigation bar, and select the first order button order. Okay, in this way also you can restore back button to the original place in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.